Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make this soup today, pumpkin soup. Really simple. Got a little bit of coconut milk in there as well, smooth it out. It's really delicious, it's vegetarian, it's vegan. Let's get on with it. Welcome back to How to Cookery. Okay, so we've got our pumpkin here. 3 cups of pumpkin, peeled that, cut it fairly chunky. I mean, we're going to liquidize the whole thing here, mash it up so it doesn't matter. Potatoes, about the same, 3 cups, so 3 cups, 3 cups. 1 cup carrot, 1 cup of onion. 200 ml there, I've got of coconut milk, a tablespoon of garlic, and just over there we've got a teaspoon each salt, pepper, cumin powder, and turmeric. Let's get moving. This is super easy. So large pot is what you're going to need. I've got some oil in there. I'm using coconut oil. You can use a different oil if you want. I've got like 3 tablespoons. Now what we're going to do is pretty much get it all in. So in goes the onion, in goes our pumpkin, the potatoes, the carrots, the chopped garlic, tablespoon of that, and the salt, pepper, turmeric, and cumin. So the only thing that's not gone in that you saw earlier, let's grab this bit of onion, is the coconut milk. What we're going to do is be on an above medium heat for about 5 to 6 minutes, giving this a head start before we move on. Okay, so that's been going about 5 minutes or so, 5 or 6 minutes. I mean, the vegetables are still very hard. Very simply, we're going to grab some water and put that in. That's 2 litres of water. And that's 3 in total. So 3 litres of water, so enough water to sort of cover it by, a centimetre or so. High heat, bring it to the boil. Once it boils, get it on a nice rolling boil. What we're looking for here is baby food, everything really super soft. Probably gonna take about 10 minutes once it hits the boiling point. So you can see that that has reduced down. Let's just turn the heat off and everything's really soft in there. Let's get that 200 ml of coconut milk in there and give it a mix. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna blend this up. I've got one of those ones that goes in, and does it. You can stick it in a machine if you don't have one of them. And this is looking a bit too thick, so I think we're going to be adding some more liquid to it, but you can get it to, any consistency that you like. So let's get that done. Okay, that's it, job done. Now you saw I added a little bit of water to that. That's a good consistency for me, but you can change to have it a bit thicker if you want, or thinner. Check it for salt. Beautiful, nice, easy, delightful soup. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thanks a lot for getting to the end of the video. If you'd like to give me a thumbs up, that does help us out quite a lot with the algorithm and such like. Subscribe if you like. You'll get notified about what we're doing. There's a thanks button if you want to donate. See you soon.